Hi there, fellow patriots. Gary here. The pain in my stomach got so bad, I called the ambulance. I'm in an examining room here at Holland Hospital. They just took x-rays. Watching a little Fox News here. And somebody on Facebook called me, a nurse, and said, you should get to the hospital right away. They said they did see my heart beat was quite high and unregular, and now they've just took a whole bunch of, I was hooked up to an IV for a while, and they just took a bunch of blood. Just letting you know what's going on. It got to the point where the VA wasn't doing anything, so I had no alternative with the gut pain that I was having. I took that magnesium citric laxative, and finally had a bowel movement after 3 days. Nothing else the VA sent me would ever work, and I got to pay a co-payment for all that stuff. So, just to let you know what's going on. Just here watching that terrible thing on Fox News, that shooting. I've got to go now. Talk to you later. Have a good one.